Ako si William Theo mula sa Makati. And nag-umpisa ako sa PTV at a very young age, sa Damayan actually. And then sa morning show na Good Morning Pilipinas. And then hanggang sa naging One Morning, and then nagkaroon ako ng afternoon show ng At Your Service. And one of the greatest and most important experiences for me growing up in PTV, so to speak, was the training. Ibang klase yung mga pundasyon, yung backbone na binigay sa akin ng PTV, lalong-lalo na on-field. So I'm really very grateful that as I got older and kung saan-saan man ako pumunta, ay nagamit ko ito. At saka talagang I really appreciated it. Furthermore, the people in PTV treated me like family, watched me develop, and until now, nandito pa rin ako. And I'm really grateful and really honored. Sana maraming pang taon.